In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track calls in HubSpot. We'll turn on HubSpot calling so every outbound call you make from the CRM is logged on the right records, and if you choose, recorded. By the end, you'll have a simple setup that keeps your activity history complete and searchable. Start on your HubSpot dashboard. After you sign in, you'll land on the main workspace with the navigation across the top. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm you're in the right portal by checking the account details in the top right. From here, open your account settings, which is where all calling options live. Click the small gear icon in the top navigation to open settings. A quick heads up, calling and sequence features are part of paid tiers, so if your account is on a free or starter plan, you'll see prompts to upgrade before you can place or record calls through HubSpot. Seeing that message just means the tools are locked until you upgrade. Nothing's wrong with your account. In the settings sidebar, go to the calling section. This page is home to HubSpot calling. Here you'll register a phone number you use to place calls. Choose the country, add your number, and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm ownership so HubSpot can connect calls and attribute activity to you accurately. Registering your number also helps with caller ID and ensures the call is tied to the correct user in reporting. Next, click Get Started. If you're asked to upgrade, complete that when you're ready, then return to the same calling area to turn on the feature. In call setup, enable call recording if your organization allows it, and add or select the HubSpot phone number you want to dial from. Pick the number you want associated with your outbound calls and save your changes. Once calling is turned on, HubSpot will automatically capture the call date, time, duration, outcome, and, if recording is on, a link to the audio on the related contact or company timeline. That means your pipeline and activity reports stay accurate without manual updates. Quick tip, always follow local laws around call recording and notify callers when required. It's a good idea to place a short test call to confirm your microphone and browser permissions, and to make sure the activity logs where you expect. If something looks off, return to the calling page to review which number is active and whether recording is toggled on. And that's it. With calling enabled and your number registered, your calls are tracked in HubSpot without manual data entry, giving you clean activity history and better visibility into your team's outreach.